Hey, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a gardener, a farmer, or just a homeowner that really wants to keep a nice lawn, one thing that we're all trying to get rid of is the weeds. And today we're going to talk about two different things that you can mix in with your weed killer. Basically, kill weeds faster. Now, PetraTools has, they call it sprayer surfactant for herbicide, and this actually has both of those products in one bottle. One of them is more commonly known, and that's a surfactant. And most people know that you can add this to your sprayer tank to help break the surface tension of the weed killer mixture that you've mixed together. And breaking that surface tension allows the weed killer mixture to coat the plant more evenly and not bubble up on sometimes what can be a waxy surface that you're spraying this on. But the second thing that's packed in here that not a lot of people know about is ammonium sulfate. Now, spray grade ammonium sulfate has been used with herbicide mixtures for quite a long time to help increase the efficacy of the weed killer mixture. And it does a couple things for your weed killer mixture. Helps to combat the effects of hard water on herbicides. And because it's got a little bit of nitrogen in there, it actually also helps with speeding up the plant uptake process. So these weeds can suck in this weed killer and die more quickly. So I'm going to be using this product today to spray the weeds in my backyard. This should help my weed killer go a little bit further. So having a product like this in your toolbox can really help you kill those weeds more quickly. All you have to do is add this into your spray tank with your weed killer mixture. Make sure that you follow the recommended rate. I'll put a link down in the description to an article that will help you understand how much surfactant and maybe how much ammonium sulfate you need to add into your mix to make sure you don't do any damage to your existing turf. Make sure you always follow the label for the herbicide that you're using and wear your proper PPE. And thanks for watching.